should definitely come down for like Renopedia event. It's because you can really get to see all the different ideas.
We wanted to find some variety of choice, and this is an event that gives us a lot of that.
We received a lot of expert advice today, and we are looking forward to them starting renovation on our home.
Yeah, we wanted to find some variety of choice, and this is an event that gives us a lot of that.
It's one of the renovation fair that makes us want to like check everything out.
Come here can straight away meet more IDs and no need to like go to contact one by one. Then yeah.
Everything is quite well prepared, and there's a lot of different ID firms around for us to like talk to.
I think it's a fantastic idea. It gives you a variety of choices that you can make, and you don't have to tire yourself out going all over Singapore.
Having 9, we have these options. Like so you can compare, you can go to every one of the 9s and then just compare, see the quotation, see what ideas they have, what's difference from them. So it's just finding your perfect match.
It saves us a lot of time, and also we can get all the resources and like roughly know how is the market price also.
Yeah, it's been a good event. Both times we've come, they've had very good people for us to talk to, and we've really learned a lot every time we've come.
We really wanted to get exposure to actually get to see more varieties, right? To know what is required for a house, and to actually like compare across as well, because ultimately everyone might have different quote, and then we need to find what's the one that's best fitted for us.
At the end of the day, maybe like, you know, with all the IDs that comes together, then we will might compare the code and then see which code is the best, and at the same time to see which ID that we vibe more with.
Oh, certainly. It's a great opportunity. I already recommended one of my friends to come.
Yeah, definitely. That's why we are here the second time.
I think this is every homeowner should know about. Like, is when you're settling down, you're looking for a house and then turning the house into a home.
I will strongly recommend this to my friends and ask them to come for this Renopedia event.
Definitely recommend all my friends to come and like can view all the things they need, and also win for the prize.
Definitely, of course, like for like Renopedia event, yours should definitely come down. It's because you can really get to see all the different ideas, different firms, to understand like, you know, what you prefer, what's your likes, and also at the same time also can look at the furnitures here.
Yeah, definitely I would recommend for any new homeowners to actually go ahead and actually try to meet as many as you can, so that you actually know what you're getting into instead of kind of like just going straight on with one ID. Right.
Yeah, it's like a free lesson for you, because you come here to learn about the formaldehyde height, what the things that you can do for your electrician, the things that you can do for your plumbings. Yeah, so you can get to learn a lot of things. It's like a free lesson down here. Yeah.
Thanks, Renopedia.
Thanks, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia. See you at the next event.
Missed out on this event? Don't worry. Your new home deserves the best. Get ready for an Interior Madness Sales Carnival on September 27th and 28th at Mega Home. Follow Renopedia for the latest updates and don't miss a thing. See you there.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.